Hello there, this is Rahul from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Grammarly. So let me take you to the website, which is grammarly.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Grammarly is an online writing assistant platform that offers tools to improve writing by checking for grammar, punctuation, spelling, and style errors. The platform provides suggestions for clarity, consciousness, tone, and vocabulary enhancement, and includes features like plagiarism detection. You can access Grammarly through the website, browser extension, and integration with applications like Microsoft Office and Google Docs. So you can come to the website and explore all about them. And if you talk about the plan and pricing, you can click on pricing, which will take you to this section. Over here, you can see they offer free plan as well, which will help you write without mistakes. You can see your writing tone and generate up to 100 AI prompts. With the premium plan, you will see the pricing per your region. So over here, you will get everything from free. Plus, you can adjust your writing tone. You can rewrite your full sentences, write fluently in English, catch accidental plagiarism, and generate up to 1,000 AI prompts. And with the business plan, you get everything from free and premium. Plus, you can centralize your billing, you can create a guide for the style, you can even include your brand tones, you can share knowledge, you can look at the analytics dashboard, you can also generate up to 2,000 AI prompts. So see if this helps you or if it helps your audience. And if that's the case, you might want to promote them. And if you do so, you could end up earning money from them. And you heard it right. All you have to do is to join the affiliate program of Grammarly and start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic. And when you bring sales to them, when you bring people to them to do the sign up, you could end up getting commission out of it. So let's learn more about the affiliate program. For that, you can scroll down to the footer section of the website. And over here, you can click on affiliates, which will take you to the affiliate program page of Grammarly. Over here, you can see that you can sign up within 60 seconds. Once you get the approval, you can place banner, write a post to receive an activation bonus. And once you have integrated everything, you can start earning money from there. That's amazing. And if you scroll down, you can see what is Grammarly affiliate program. There are some FAQs, and I would highly recommend you click on FAQ page, which will take you to this page. Over here, there are 4 questions that you might want to read, especially this one, can I become an affiliate? So over here, you can see people from all over the world join Grammarly as affiliates and they promote to the audience. Then generally they are the website owner or the blog owner, but they also have affiliates from different backgrounds, like the affiliates who are more involved in career development, education, technology, and related topics. So it doesn't matter whatever kind of affiliate you are, so long as you have influence out there to the audience to whom Grammarly would be useful, you can apply to be a partner with Grammarly as an affiliate. And the second question is this one: how can I promote Grammarly? So if you click here, you can see that once you get accepted in the program, they'll give you a variety of affiliate links and banners. You can place them on your website, blog, or whatever you have given through the sign up process and start bringing audience to them. What's important here is this: please note that you may not offer consumer any incentive or reward for interacting with or joining Grammarly. Now, this is very important. You can't tell people that join the or basically sign up for the Grammarly to earn this much or that much. Like, you cannot incentivize your audience to do that. Second is, you cannot bid on the trademarks like Grammarly or Grammarly.com. You can't even include them in the meta tags or domain names, or link directly to your site from PPC ads. Thereafter, there are some prohibited keywords for bidding, and these are the prohibited keywords which you're not allowed to do. So once you've read it, and if you want to learn more and want to apply to the affiliate program of Grammarly, you can come to the page again, and over here you can see the commission details. So for free site registration, anyone you bring, and if they do the free registration, you could get $0.20 as commission. And for the premium plan purchase, if that person sign up as a premium subscriber for Grammarly, then you could get $20 per sign up. So that's great, but it has to be the premium plan. Now you have read it all, and if you want to apply to the affiliate program of Grammarly, for that you can click on become an affiliate. If you scroll down, you'll see the link here as well: become an affiliate and sign in as an affiliate. This is a link once you have got the approval, but since you haven't created the account yet or you haven't requested for the account, you can click on become an affiliate, which will take you to this page. this is the registration form. So it's divided into four different steps. So the first one is the account details. Over here, you can mention the name of the company. What if you do not own a company, but maybe you have a website or blog? Then maybe just write the name of that website or blog. What if you don't even have one of those? Maybe you have a educational YouTube channel. So mention the name of that channel in here. Same goes for the website. So in case if you don't have a website, but you have a social media web page, let's say YouTube channel, you can mention the URL for that YouTube channel along with the name of that YouTube channel. So it doesn't necessarily have to be the company name. You can also write your own name if you want. That's totally up to you. In my case, I'm going to write A3 Marketing in here. And I'm going to write the website here. It says, now all the information I'm going to enter in this registration form going to be dummy for educational purpose. In your case, I wouldn't advise you that. You have to ensure you fill all the information as accurate as it can be. Now for the address, let me copy and paste a dummy address in here. In your case, you can write your address. You can start writing address 1, which should be your actual address, the street address. And in the city, you can mention your city. You can select your country from here, the country of residence, and the region has to be either a region, a state, or province. So, and then the zip code. You might have a zip code or you might have pin code depending on your location. So you can enter that accordingly, either the zip code or the pin code. And then you have to enter the phone number as well. So once you have entered all these details, you can click on next. It will take you to step number 2, which is to write more details. I'm going to write here John as my first name and last name as Joe. You can write your first name and last name in here. You can mention title, which is optional, and then you can mention the email address and password. Now, email address here you should have access to because all the communications you'll get here. Even to log into the account, you would have to use your credentials like the email address and the password combination. In password, you have to ensure that your password meet these criterions. Then once you've entered these details, you can click on next. It will take you to additional questions. Over here, you can mention your website. Now, this should be the website where you plan to promote Grammarly. It could be website, could be blog, or it could be any social media page, or it could be multiple of that. So totally up to you. Let's say if you got a website, you can write website in here. Then there should be a comma and you can enter more website or blogs. Basically, wherever you plan to promote Grammarly, you should mention all those URLs in here. And then I understand non-US payments are available for bank wire only in USD. Please ensure your bank account accepts USD if you're outside. So what they're trying to say, when it comes to the US residents, they could get payment via check, direct deposit, and wire transfer. But for the non-US, the only option is wire transfer. And the non-US resident should be able to accept USD payment as well. So they're just asking you to read it and understand. Once you've read it, you can click on I understand. The second thing here is I understand I cannot place Grammarly affiliate links or link out on Picker Worker, Micro Worker, and any similar site. So basically freelancing websites. So once you've read it, you can click on I understand as well, and then click on next, which will take you to user agreement. Over here, you can click on terms and conditions, read it. You can click on partner terms from Tune and read it too. Tick mark both those and click on sign up. When you do that, it will process your application. Your application would go to the affiliate program team of Grammarly. They will look at all the information given. They'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not. And if they seem you worthy, then you would get approval from them. You see, an account manager will contact you shortly. How long would it take? It could take up to 2 weeks of time. So if they'll feel like you're a good suit for them, only then they would give you the approval. And once you've gotten the approval, then you can start promoting them. Now, what if you want to follow up with them? In that case, you can go to the affiliate program page again, and there will be the contact email address. So in case if you ever want to reach out to them, it's been more than a couple of weeks, and if you inquire, you can write an email to them and ask more about it. But assuming you get the approval, how would you be notified for that? You will get an email from Grammarly account manager, and that's how you will know you got the approval. Once you got the approval, again, come to the affiliate program page. Over here, click on sign in as affiliate, log in using your credential, and you would be able to see your tracking links over there. You can take your tracking links and start promoting Grammarly. Ensure you should be using tracking link. This is super important. Otherwise, your activity won't get tracked. So another question is, how do you promote Grammarly? Where exactly can you promote them? So you can promote them anywhere you like. so long as you have given those details in the sign up page, but still I'm going to give you some idea here. So you could promote them on any website so long as you got the approval. So but put them on a section where your audience would be more empowered to click on those links. And you can't just place them with all the other advertisement. Basically, you cannot put bulk advertisement including Grammarly. They're very precise about it, so you have to be careful where you're promoting on your website. Maybe just pick a small section on your website and promote Grammarly over there. Another option is to blog one. So maybe you could write blog posts about different features of Grammarly, and with each blog post, you can put your tracking link somewhere either in the middle, at the end, or about the blog post. Up to you. Then the second way is email marketing. Let's say if you do email marketing, which is the method of sending newsletters to your audience. So if you have a list of your audience and if you want to send emails to them, newsletters or what email marketing, then you might want to send a newsletter for Grammarly with your tracking link in it. So this way people could read the email, they click on the link, they subscribe for Grammarly, you end up getting commission. Third way, which I feel is more suited here, is the education website, because people come to the education website to learn about different stuff, isn't it? So maybe you could promote Grammarly anywhere on your education website on the web page that is more suited and gonna help the Grammarly as a whole. Okay, so this is how you can promote them. Now, let's say you got the link, you started promoting them. Where would you see your performance? Again, for that, you have to log into your Grammarly affiliate account and you should be able to see the analytics there as well. What about the payment? We discussed about it that for the US residents, you could get the payment via check, direct deposit, and wire transfer. But for the non-US residents, they can get the payment via only the one option, that is wire transfer. And unfortunately, PayPal is not an acceptable payment method for Grammarly. Another question that we didn't discuss: who can join the affiliate program of Grammarly? I didn't see any restrictions. So as an affiliate, regardless of your location, you should be able to join Grammarly. The audience, from which country can you promote them? I didn't see any restriction for that as well. So long as Grammarly is available to the audience of any country, you can promote them. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Grammarly. You apply to them, you get approval, you start promoting them, start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in learning all about the affiliate program of Grammarly. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on that. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.